back. It is really snowy. The camera focused. Can't see out my window. We stopped here. By the way, if you guys don't know where I live, it's on 103 First Street, Brooklyn, in Madison. Okay. Shut up, who cares? So yeah, my dad could come out any second now. Any second. If the video ends, that means my dad's here. It's not the poodles, our poodles. Oh wait, I'm getting this.